Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdulrahman Khalifa Hashinur. My matric number is 274922. Today in this video, I will talking about the low fidelity prototyping for my project most mobile application. First, I will talk about the low fidelity prototype description. The low fidelity version of the most mobile app will show the user interface and the main function of the app in a simplified way. I used Figma to make simple sketch of the app layout and design, focusing on the most important part of the project. So here is a description of the low fidelity prototype for the most app. First, we have the user registration. The sign up process for the user would make easier on the prototype to have a few basic fields as a login user ID, name, email, and phone number and password that need the user to provide to register to the system. And the next function is the users and admin login. This prototype would show how the both users and the admin sign to the system to access the home screen to the systems. User need and admin need to provide the email and password. So then click login to access the system. And the third function is the event registration. With the event registration function, user can sign up to attend a certain event that the most is hosting by choosing an action form list of upcoming event. User can show a way to take a part of the application will save the user registration information. And the fourth was make donation. Through this function, the future use can make payment to the most for specific event or to support the most project. User can choose to give money to a specific event or to most as general operation. The program will give a user a safe way to pay for their donation and make sure that the process goes smoothly and safely. And then we have a manage event. For this function, this is going to be on the admin side. Through this function, the admin can manage the event, to update or delete or view the event, also edit the event to be the most event app date by date. And the last function is the manage account. Both users and admin can view their personal data and access to the personal data and also update the data. So next we will talking about the specific function. First we have the design of a splash screen. We will show the UMMA stand for most app, and the logo that will show the most logo and also the version of the app. After the splash screen, the user will access the login screen. Through the login screen, the user need to select login as a user or admin and then fill up the data or the information that needed to complete the login. If the user or admin have uncompleted data, the system will inform the user. And then by click login, the user will access the home screen. Also, the third function, the registration account. Through this function, user can need to fill up the form. So here we have the form of registration that will fill up by the user ID and name, email, phone, and password. Also, user need to agree on terms, and then click registration. If they are uncompleted or invalid data, the users will be informed. After everything is right, the system will ask the user to, if he's sure if to create an account, like a confirm message. If they tell it yes, the system will create the account. Fourth, we have event registration. Here, after the user access log in, he will be let's go to the event list on home screen. Here will be the list of all upcoming events that are organized by you and most. So on this page, user can click in the event, and then we will have the event details. Users can be here on the event details or the event registration. The users can click on the registration. For registration, the system will, if the process is complete, the system will inform the user that the registration is done and the user is already registered to this event. Also, the users can navigate to a navigation by navigation to can navigate to the navigation icon. Here, user can have the list of already that registered to those events. So by clicking on this event, user can see the details of the event. Also, user can cancel the event registration. The system will display to the users a confirm message. User can click yes, and the system will complete the process. Then we have a make donation. In this function, the user can navigate to a make donation icon on the menu. Through this, the system will display the icon, will display the screen donation. Here on this page, the user need to complete the information to save his donation or to complete the process. Here, user need to select the method of the payment or Visa or e-wallet. After that, we'll complete the information details and agree of the terms. Then click the donation button. If the process complete, the system will show that successful message. And for the manage event, this will going to be on the admin side. Here on the admin side, we have manage event. Here going to be the home screen. User can navigate to the edit event. Here on the edit event will display the edit event form. Here the admin need to complete the event information to be edited, like event page, event details, and so on. After that, click edit event, and the event will successfully edit. Also, we will have if the admin clicks the event, we will have the event details. So here, event details, we have option for the admin, either update the event or delete the event. If the admin select update the event, we will have the update event form. You can update the details of the event. Or if the admin select cancel event, system will display the confirm message. If the admin select yes, the system will delete the event. Also, other function on the admin side, we have the manage donation. Here the manage donation, here the interface that we will show the manage donation. The admin can access this page through navigate through the icon donation icon in the menu. After that, the system will display this page. On this page, we will have the donation that made by the users. So the admin can click specific donation to see the details of the donation, like user ID and the name of the donor, so, and also the donation details. Also, the admin, if want, We can also update the donation details. This for a managed donation. Also, we have a managed account. Here on the managed account, the admin and user, also the both, can access this function to navigate through the profile or the manage account icon on the menu. Here will show the system will show the screen or the page for the manage account. We will have the personal data of the admin or user. He can view the data. Also, he can update the data. I click on the user ID, for example, click, and then we can update it. After that, the admin and user need to click update, and the system will successfully update the information or the new profile to the user or admin. That's all for me. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. I just want to explain or demonstrate the tasks that require to have 2 or 3 functions that already exist on the system. So to complete this task, I use Flutter language. I have coding have code that show that to display the interface or the front end. So for the illustration part, I have coding that to display the front end that's running now. So we have here the illustration part that will going to be on the system that they're going to be completed on the high prototype. This is it. We have also the agreement and illustration. Also, we have the login. We have users to be select as admin or login. So through this, the user will select the login button. After that, the system will direct to the home screen that I'm already not finished yet. We will be completing on the high prototype. So the 2 function I completed on the networking is the login and registration screen that already use this code to complete this task. That's all for me. Thank you.